Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Subway Surfers notifications for new session hunt, events, or daily rewards? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your phone settings and then scroll down to the list of apps to find Subway Surfers or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's green, tap on it and turn it green. Check the alerts down and or alerts not none, since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn sounds and badges on as well. Now scroll back to the top of your screen or go to the search and search for focus. Go through each focus mode you use. Do not disturb, personal, sleep, work, and make sure Subway Surfers isn't in the silence app list under each one. Since session hunts, events, and daily rewards run on a strict schedule, having these notifications working means you do not miss limited time rewards. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Subway Surfers, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus is checked, Subway Surfers alerts will come through and that's it. Subscribe.